Hey everybody, it's Blake with ChannelAndroid.com. Today we're going to do a look at an accessory from Logitech. We have here the Logitech keyboard case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1 inch by Zag. So what we have here is an aluminum case that fits on the Galaxy Tab and has a Bluetooth keyboard on the inside. Now if we take a quick look at it, you can see here and here we have some nice padding also in these corners to try and protect the device. And let's look at how this thing functions as a case. We'll set this down. There you go. And basically you're going to put your Galaxy Tab flat, just straight down in it. You have a wide opening here and a small little notch here, and if you're familiar with the device, you'll know that it makes sense for this to go in the wide spot since we have power and volume and headphone jack and all these things we need to get access to up here on the top. And on the bottom we just have the charging state or charging port. So we put it down in the case like so, and it's a little tight, but that is how it keeps it in place. I'm going to push it down in there, and there you have it. You have a case that is going to protect the front of the device. Let's make sure it's in there good. It's got a nice tight fit. Do a little shake. It's not falling out. I'm not holding it with my fingers. It's not falling out. It's secured in there pretty well. And then when you want to get it out, just do a little, grab one of these, well, let's do it here, and just pull it out. And it fits in there. It's nice and tight, very snug, and it doesn't feel like it's going to fall out. Now, I don't know how long this thing will last. I would imagine that with time, the more you use it, the more this padding on the sides here that has a little give so that you can push the device in there. Maybe with a lot of time using this device, this accessory, maybe it loosens up and maybe it becomes dangerous. I don't know, but what I've seen from it so far is very nice. It doesn't protect the back of the device at all, but the back of the device is not the most important part. So one other thing about this keyboard that's nice is the fact that it sets up as a dock for your tablet. As you can see here, there's a little groove, and then right here there's a little place where it sticks out, so it just kind of goes underneath it, and it has a rubber coating on it, so it's not going to necessarily do anything to mess up your device thanks to this rubber coating. I did notice after using it for the first time or two that it would leave a small black mark on the back of the device down here, but that was pretty much just where the rubber coating was. So maybe after time that rubber coating starts to wear off as well. Don't have time to put that much into it and find out, but that's something you might want to consider. And yeah, so we can put this right here and type away. As far as the keyboard goes, if you saw my review of the Logitech generic type keyboard for all honeycomb tablets, there were some problems with some of the key presses. I haven't noticed those problems with this keyboard, so that's not something to really be concerned about. The keys are tighter together and a little more cramped than I'm used to, but obviously space was limited. The keys feel pretty good for the most part. It takes a little getting used to because it is a little bit different than what you're probably accustomed to in your keyboard. And then up here on the top we have a on and off switch and a connect button for when you want to connect it to the tablet. So if you have a Galaxy Tab and you want a keyboard, I think this may be the way you want to go. There could be some danger maybe in the future, if you have this device for a long time, of it damaging your device, scratching it, scuffing it up. I don't really know. All I know is right now It feels good. It feels like it will protect the screen really well. It holds the device well, and it's very low profile. Even with the case, it doesn't really feel any thicker than some of the other tablets that are already on the market because it's such a low profile case, in addition to the fact that the tablet is extremely thin. So there you have it, the Logitech keyboard case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1 inch. Check it out, and while you're checking things out, head over to the website at channelandroid.com and check out some of our other reviews. Thanks.